Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 6. Now you're probably going to think, oh my goodness, another week of looking at research writing. But it's really critical because when you look at research writing, there's a lot of different components. And now we're going to hone in on APA research writing. So we got a lot of videos this week, and it's important that you watch all of them. There's not a lot of material to do per se. We only have a discussion board post and one homework, but you really have to watch the videos. It's important in order to get a good grade in that APA paper and presentation. Remember, that's a large percentage of your final grade, so you want to do really good at that. All right, so you have the formatting basics that we've talked about numerous times, and you heard about it, of course, in the last module looking at APA and MLA, but we're really going to talk about strictly APA. So Purdue OWL is for anyone can use it. It's online. A lot of resources are on the Purdue OWL, which is online writing lab, much like PIMA has their own online writing lab, but a lot of different schools use Purdue's information. So take a look at that. You're going to find some great information in there about, of course, writing in APA and the formatting basics. So be sure to take a look at that. I want to really pick a topic this week, so I have about a 5-minute video talking about picking a topic and starting your paper. So watch that. It gives you some tips and tricks how to use Google Scholar and some other areas of research in order to find a topic that's suitable for you and what you want to research. It has to be healthcare related, though. You have your chapter 15 overview here, which is only about 9 minutes long, so pretty short chapter 15 overview. So be sure to take a look at that. Read chapter 14 and chapter 15 in your text. I'm sure you've already done that because of the last module, but APA help through the Purdue OWL, I'll put that there. We have a sample paper, which we'll talk a lot about in these videos. A sample paper located here for APA 7. We're on the 7th edition of APA, so don't get confused with 6 and 7 editions. Make sure you use the 7th. It's the newest edition. I'm sure 8th will come out soon, but it's not out yet. Chapter 14 and chapter 15 in your PowerPoint slides are located here as well. And your homework, I'll put the due date under here and fix this. Well, it already says end of day, so that's good, but I'll put the due date here. And make sure you get your discussion board post in. First post is due Wednesday, the 27th by end of day, and the reply is due the 31st by end of day. All right, lots of information this week. Be sure to concentrate on all the videos and get your homework and your discussion board post done. If you need anything, as always, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to help you anyway. Thanks so much.